Today we're going to be working on a 2010 Audi A4, and we're going to be replacing the stock intercooler with one from a 2014 Audi A6 TDI. It's a bigger intercooler, and they go for anywhere between maybe $80 and $200 depending on who's making it. I'll put a link to where you can buy it in the video description. So let's get started. I want to give a shout out to a new YouTuber. His name on YouTube is Naptown Tuner. Naptown Tuner. That guy. He only has about 80 subscribers right now, but his videos are really good. He's like an expert in engines, and he must have been working on these Audi A4s for many years, because he knows how to take out the engine, redo all the internals, and he's making some really good videos right now. So check him out and give him some love, give him a subscribe. First thing I'm going to do is take this part off the T30s. What is this thing? I never noticed this filter. It's very dirty. Okay, now that we got that off, then we're gonna do this guy right here is a T25. On the other side. Okay, down below, take off this one, and the one over there. Alright, so in the wheel well, you don't have to take the tire off, but I did just to make it easier. Take off this one, this one, and one up here, and that one, and then pull it up. Alright, so then you gotta take this bolt off right here. That's the only one. It's a 10mm. So you get yourself an extension like that, and you can take it off. Alright, and you start pulling it off. Alright, so I just took off this home link thing. Goes stuck down in there. Also, I need to disconnect this fog light. Alright, that's off. Now we're taking this clamp off here. It's got a number 7 socket. Alright, so on the driver's side of the intercooler there is a screw right here, T30, which we need to take out right here. And that's the only thing holding this in. Alright, so here's the difference between one and the other. You can see the new one is a good 2 inches longer. 3 inches maybe. Oh gosh, more than that. 3 inches longer on the tank, and this is 3 inch wide versus 2.5. So 3 inches longer and a ½ inch wider. But everything still lines up. If you line them up, you can see this clip right here lines up. And the tank is shorter, and then this, where the bolt goes, lines up. Now if you want to see the part number on this one, this is the 4401-1137 Spectra. That's the cheapest one you can get, and it's, as you can see, bar and plate, same as the old one. Alright, so I stuck the new one up there. I mean, there's nothing to it. It's just, you put this, you stick it in that clip right there. There's a little hole, sticks on here, but I don't know. Anyway, these here wings, I just ripped these off because it wasn't worth dealing with. Alright. Now, kinked. Alright. Yeah, it's on there now. Alright, so now that one's on there. This side is on here. I just gotta put that back on. So then you just you put the bumper back on, you squeeze it all in there, and then you got to put in these couple of bolts, and that's pretty much it. Just put the bolts back in, and then yeah, then we'll take it for a drive. So if you like this video, please like it and subscribe, and yeah, check out that dude, Naptown Tuner. He's pretty good. You know, I like his videos, and Dude could use some love, so check him out. Check out my other videos. Auf Wiedersehen.